Hi everyone, I'm Sai Krishna, an experienced developer from India. Get ready because we are about to dive into a cool project. We'll be building our very own Airbnb-like app using Django and React. So we'll be building a platform for people to list their properties or even book others. If you are here to enhance your Django and Next.js skills or simply intrigued by the idea of setting up your own platform, you are definitely at the right place. Let's get this exciting project rolling. Our local system. So for doing that, just go to any folder inside file system and then create a new folder there. So here I'm creating a folder source code for both backend and front end source code. So I will go to the folder, then I will open that with VS Code. So once you have VS Code open, create a new folder backend and then open terminal that variable from here, enter preview, and you can see there is this DJ REST auth and then API auth and then admin. So let's go to core URLs and let's see like what is what. So you have this API auth coming from REST framework.urls. You just don't have to work on that. You can ignore it, and you have this DJ REST auth. So this DJ REST auth is like this particular URL. If I go, I just want to change it. I don't want this to be like DJ REST auth. Instead, I want this to be like API/auth slash save. Then I'll run it again, and you can see now it's like API/auth. Like some date, 14 days, which from now, and then we have another booking at some other date, and then we have some room bookings and then reviews. Doing or writing all the things here will take a lot of time, so I'm just showing you the final file which I created. So once you have all the code, you have to run this command python manage.py seed_db, because the file name is seed_db. You just have to run it like that. And property, we can give some property type like hola, create property, and hola. You can see a new property is created with the title, description, and then location, price, everything. If I go back, and I can see the same thing over here, Paris, the title. I can go inside and I can visit the details. Congratulations on reaching the end of this project. I hope you found it enlightening and enjoyable. Remember, the beauty of programming is that there is always room for improvement and innovation. Please feel free to play around with the code, make your own additions, and truly make this project on your own. Keep coding, stay curious, and never stop learning. Thank you.